Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2020 GMC Acadia and we're going to do a headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film onto the headlight and just make sure you match this small cutout to the top edge of the headlight, because everything else will go on the side. So just make sure you align it there and everything else should fall into place. So now let's secure this piece first. That way we're able to stretch the film just a little bit to reach it to this edge. So lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, hold it in position and tack it down to secure it. And you can also start tacking it down around the panel here. And just make sure you remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. And now we can work away with the rest of the film. So here we're going to stretch it upward to reach it up to the edge. So lift the film carefully and apply Slip Solution underneath the film and just do a light stretch until it reaches to the top edge, and make sure everything is aligned all around the headlight. And now hold it in position, lift it carefully and start tacking it down to secure it. So make sure to keep it aligned, tack it down. And just apply tack solution on top here as well. That way our squeegee is able to glide and remove all the water bubbles behind the film. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure before we do the final step, which is post-heating, to remove any solution behind the film. So what you can do is clean the film and check and see if there's any bubbles behind the film. If there is, just pass your squeegee to remove them. But if there's none, then we're good to go to post-heat the entire panel. Okay, so to post-heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the headlight. And we're going to apply heat all around the film, making sure we help remove any small fingers that may be on the edges. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to tack it down and secure it, and also remove any solution that's still trapped behind the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2020 GMC Acadia. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.